drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies pop your backs with it, bounce with it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies pop your backs with it, bounce with it, drop with it, lean with it, rock with it, snap with it. All my ladies pop your backs with it.
Let's do some cooking.
This is a whole chicken cooked inside of clay. Cover the chicken in a 5-spice marinade and add your bamboo water chestnut stuffing. This is a lotus leaf. Steep in warm water so it fully opens up, place down your chicken, and wrap up your present. Tie her up, catch up on the news, then one more wrap. 10 pounds of clay, slice, lay it down, then roll it out. Make sure it's completely sealed and nice and comfy in there. Bake at 350, crack it open, and finally time to uncover our buried treasure. This chicken is packed with flavor and you can really taste that lotus. Topped with a hoisin glaze with incredibly juicy pull-apart meat. Wow.
I used to hear a simple song. That was until you came along. Now in its place is something new. I hear it when I look at you.
Chopped cheese, but on the glizzy bun, I'm really too nice. And I don't know where you think I'm from, but I'm from New York. Stop playing with me. Get your ground beef in a pan with an onion. If you don't eat onions, you childish. Now we're going to season it with some adobo, some sazona, some whatever sauce. We're going to add the cheese. And the chopped cheese is not a hamburger chopped up. It's a chopped cheese. That's it. Now we're going to get the glizzy buns. Now we're going to add some cheese to the buns. Now we're going to add the meat. Pause. You want to pop it in the oven for about 5 minutes. Take it out. Add some lettuce. Now we're going to add some ketchup and mayo to the top. And I'm the bev-ologist, so you know I got a bev. Stop playing with me for real.